Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Karaage Chicken Breast. Karaage is Japanese fried chicken and it's usually made with chicken thighs with skin on. In this recipe, we use boneless and skinless chicken breasts which are much lighter. We cut chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. We are cutting the pieces a bit smaller than usual, so each piece will absorb the seasonings very well. Now we are going to season the chicken. In a bowl, we add soy sauce, sake, salt, black pepper, and a bit of sugar. And add some grated ginger and garlic. You can find all the ingredients and the recipe on our website, JapaneseCooking101.com as always. And we are going to add the chicken. Mix by hand, or you can use a big spoon to coat the chicken with the marinade and let sit for 30 minutes. Chicken breasts could become bland and dry when cooked, so we marinate them very well with the seasonings. After the chicken is marinated, we are going to deep fry. Mix equal amount of all-purpose flour and cornstarch or katakuriko potato starch and coat the chicken pieces. We are using cornstarch today because it's just easier to find it outside Japan. Since the chicken is seasoned well, we are not adding anything else to the coating. Heat the frying oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and fry the chicken. It depends on the size of the chicken, but it takes about 5 to 6 minutes for bite-sized pieces to be cooked through. Turning a few times and cook until golden brown. And remove from the oil. You can serve this right away as a main dish or an appetizer. Karaage is also a popular dish to pack in a bento lunch. It tastes great even at room temperature. We hope you give this a try next time you feel like having some fried chicken.
美味しいね。